next sir. Okay. Next one. Next, determine the cost driver rates. Okay, determine the cost driver rates. Okay, sir, here total overheads 15 lakhs. Total overheads 15 lakhs can be identified 3 cost pools. One is order processing activity 3 lakhs, mission processing activity 10 lakhs, product inspection activity 2 lakhs. 3 plus 10 plus 2, 15 lakhs. 3 plus 10 plus 2, 15 lakhs. So, that is the overheads can be identified 3 activities: order processing activity, mission processing activity, product inspection activity. Okay, right. Right. So, here cost drivers amounts, cost drivers quantities. These activities are driven by the number of orders processed, mission hours worked and inspection hours respectively. So, directly mentions at CDQ, cost driver quantity. So, for entire production, total orders processed, number of orders processed 600 orders, sir. For entire production, mission hours worked 50,000 hours. So, equipment A spent to 22,500 hours, equipment B spent 27,500 hours. Next, inspection hours. 5,000 hours and B, equipment B 15,000 hours. Total hours spent for entire production 20,000 hours, right. So, please see the second bit, sir. So, B bit, determine the cost driver rate. Prepare a statement showing the manufacturing volume is attained. So, that means actual volume, budget volume both are same. So, calculate the same unit cost and budget cost, right. So, first determine the cost driver rates, B bit, sir. So, ABC approach, sir. ABC approach. So, first calculation of cost driver rates. Calculation of cost driver rates. Cost driver rate. Cost pool name. Or activity. Next, cost pool in rupees. Next, cost driver name. Cost driver quantity. Cost driver rate. This is A, this is B, this is C, D, E. E equal to B by D. So, here total overheads can be identified in 3 activities. Total overheads can be identified 3 major activities. Can be identified with 3 major activities. One, order processing activity. Next, mission processing activity. Mission processing activity. Next, product inspection activity. Product inspection activity. order processing activity, mission processing activity, product inspection activity. Cost pool amounts 3 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 2 lakhs. 3 lakhs, next to 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Next to product inspection 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs amount, 2 lakhs amount. Next to cost driver name, number of orders processed, number of orders. Next mission processing means mission hours worked, mission hours worked, mission hours worked, mission hours worked. Next inspection hours, inspection hours, inspection hours, inspection hours. Number of orders, mission hours worked, inspection hours. Cost driver quantity, cost driver quantity CDQ. So for entire production of the company, total orders, number of orders to be made 600 orders, 600 orders. Total mission hours spent 50,000 hours, 50,000 hours. Total inspection time spent 20,000 hours, 20,000 hours, 20,000 hours. So cost driver rate, sir. So 3 lakhs divided by 3 lakhs divided by 600. 3 lakhs divided by 600. 500 rupees per order. 500 rupees per order. 500 rupees per order. Next, 500 rupees per order. Next, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs divided 10 1 minute 10 lakhs divided by 50,000 hours, 50,000 hours, 20 rupees per mission hour, per mission hour, 20 rupees per mission hour. Next, 2 lakhs divided by 20,000, 10 rupees per inspection hour, per inspection hour, per inspection hour, 10 rupees per inspection hour. So this is the cost driver rate, cost driver rate, cost driver rate, right. Next, so statement showing, statement showing unit cost, same previously was done under absorption costing method, now ABC approach. So statement showing unit cost and statement showing unit cost and next and total cost of each product, So statement showing unit cost and total cost of each product under activity based costing method, activity based costing method, activity based costing method. So statement showing unit cost and total cost of each product under activity based costing method. costing method, right. So, cost pool, here particulars equipment A, equipment B, equipment B, equipment A, equipment B, right. So, first direct material cost per unit, direct material cost per unit, sir, direct material cost per unit, direct material cost per unit. So, here direct material cost per unit already mentioned, sir, 350, 400, 350, 400, 350, 400, direct material cost per unit, 350, 400. Next, direct labor cost per unit, direct labor cost per unit, direct labor cost per unit, per unit. So, direct labor cost per unit 360, 480, 360, 480, 480. So, prime cost per unit, prime cost per unit, 350 plus 360 is equal 710. Next, 400 plus 480 is equal 880. Next, add overheads cost per unit, overheads cost per unit charged, overhead cost per unit charged. So, overheads cost per unit charged, same. So, here overheads cost per unit charged to production, okay, right. Here prime cost per unit, sir, okay, right. Here overheads cost per unit charge under ABC approach. So, here total overheads can be identified with three activities. First activity is order processing overhead cost, order processing activity, order processing cost. Sir, here first we have to calculate for entire production, then divide with volume, then we get per unit. So, here number of orders for equipment A, number of orders to be placed in this period 400 orders. So, 400 orders into ordering cost per order. Here ordering cost 500 rupees per order, 500 rupees, 500 rupees. So, this is the for entire production divided by production volume 3200 units, 3200 units, 3200 units. So, 400 into 500 divided by 3200, 62.5, 62.5. Next orders, equipment B, number of orders to be made 200 orders, 200 orders, 200 orders into 200 into ordering cost per order 500 divided by entire production 3850 units, 3850 units, 3850 units, 200 into 500 divided by 3850. So 25.97. 25.97. 25.97. Next one. Next one, sir. Machine processing cost. Machine processing cost. Machine processing cost. Machine processing cost. So machine processing cost 22,500 hours. 22,500 hours into hourly rate 20 rupees. 20 rupees divided by 3,200 units. So 22,500 into 20 divided by 3,200 is equal 140.625. 140.625. Next, 27,500 hours consumed. 27,500 hours consumed into overhead rate 20 rupees divided by, here volume is 3,850 units. 3,850. So 27,500 into 20 divided by 3850. 3850 is equal to 142.86. 142.86. Next activity. Next activity, product inspection cost. So product inspection cost. Product inspection cost. Product inspection cost. Product inspection cost. Here product inspection time consumed for equipment A 5,000 hours. 5,000 hours. Overhead rate per hour 10 rupees. 10 rupees divided by 3,200. So 5,000 into 10 rupees divided by 3,200 is equal to 15.625. 15.625. Next, time spent 15,000 hours. So 15,000 hours into 10 rupees divided by 3,850. 15,000 into 10 divided by 3,850, sir, is equal to 38.96. 38.96. 38.96. Okay, 96. Right. Unit cost. Unit cost. Unit cost. So add them, sir. 710 plus 62.5 plus 140.625 plus 15.625 is equal to 928.75. 928.75, sir. 928.75. Please check the answer. Here, please check the answer. Here 928.75. Sir, here answers are not mentioned, sir. So second bit, cost driver rates is given, but unit costs are not given, sir. Okay. 928.75 unit cost. Previously, sir, previously 890, sir. In the traditional method, 890. So undercharged, sir. So 890, sir, and traditional method, but actually 928.75. 928.75. So 38.75 undercharged, sir. 38.75 undercharged. 38.75 undercharged. Okay, right. Sir, only overheads amount, sir. Only overheads amounts 1 minute, sir. Overheads amounts. Overheads amounts. Overheads amounts 62.5 plus 140.625 plus 15.625 is equal to 18.75. Previously 180 charged. 180 charged. So 38.75, sir. 38.75. Here answers not mentioned, sir. So product A 101.75. Okay, right. Okay, sir. So 710. Next to 62.5, 140.65, 15.65. Sir, cost dividers, please check, sir. 500. Okay, 500, 20, next to 10. Okay, sir. Right. Next one, sir. Here, prime cost per unit to 880 plus 25.97 plus 142.86 plus 38.96 is equal to 1087.79. So 1087.79. So that is the unit cost. Next, output. This is A. Output, sir. Output in units. B. Output in units B. So here output 3200 units. 3200 units. Next 3850 units. 3850 units. Multiplied, sir. Multiplied. So total cost 928.75 into 3200 is equal to 29,72,000. 29,72,000. Next, here 1087.79 into 3850 is equal to 41,87,992 approximately. Okay, sir. Right. This is the B bit. Next, C bit, sir. MNO Limited selling prices are based heavily on cost by using direct labor hours as an application base. So calculate the amount of cost distortion, undercosted or overcosted of each equipment, sir. So undercost or overcost, sir. So here, sir, suppose selling prices are based on cost price under traditional approach, so that is 890, but actually price is actual cost is 928.75, sir. 928.75. So 38.75, sir. 38.75. So here answer is 101.75, sir. Please check, sir. Please check. So 1 minute, sir. 400 orders. 400 orders into 500 rupees into 500 divided by 3200, right? 62.5. Okay. Next, time consumption 22,500 into rate 20 rupees divided by 3200 is equal to 140.625. Next, 5000 into time consumption 5000 into 10 divided by 3200 is equal 15 to sir, right sir. So here answers wrong sir. So wrong answer 101 got sir. Okay, right. Next B sir, B check. So 200 orders into 500, 200 into 500, 200 into 500 divided by 3850, 25.97, correct sir. So here output is 3850. Okay, next 27,500 into 20 divided by 3850 is equal to 142.86, correct sir. Next 15,000 into 10, 15,000 into 10 divided by 3850 is equal to 38.96, correct answer sir. Correct sir. So right. Next, so company selling prices are based on heavily on cost by using direct labor hours as an application base. As an application base means traditional base, that is the absorption costing method. So calculate the amount of cost distortion. Calculate the amount of cost distortion. So calculation of amount of cost distortion. Calculation of amount of cost distortion. Cost distortion. So cost distortion. So first equipment A. Equipment A. Next equipment B. Particulars. Equipment A, equipment B, particulars. Right. Next. So overhead cost per unit as an absorption costing basis. Overhead cost per unit. Sir, here not overhead cost, sir, total cost. Selling prices are based on cost. Okay, total cost, unit cost. So unit cost under absorption costing. Unit cost under absorption costing. 890. Next, unit cost under ABC approach. Under ABC approach. So ABC approach already calculated 928.75. 928.75. So here company fix the selling price on 890 should be considered. Sir, company to fix the selling price 890 should be considered, sir. So that is undercosted or overcosted, sir? Undercosted. Here ABC approach should disclose 928.75, but company follows 890 rupees. So that is undercosted amount. So undercosted. So undercosted or overcosted. 1 minute, sir. Undercosted or overcosted? Right. So first equipment, in case of equipment A, under costed, sir. So 890 minus 928.75 is equal 38.75. 38.75 under costed. Under costed. Next, sir. Next one, under absorption costing method, 1120, am I right? 1120, correct. 1120. Next, under ABC approach, 1087.79. 1087.79. Sir, here overcosted amount is 1120 minus 1087.79. So 32.21. Here answer is 32.2. Correct, sir. Second one is the correct, sir. First one answer wrong, sir. So first one wrong. First one printing mistake, sir. So please rectify that. B answer correct, sir. So that 32.21. 32.21. That is overcosted. Okay. So this is the problem number 7. Problem number 7 completed, sir. Problem number 7 completed. Next, problem number 4. Problem number 4, sir. Okay. Right. Problem number 4. MST Limited, company name, sir. So company has collected the following data for its two activities. So company has collected the following data. So for its two activities. So here activities are, one is power activity, second one is quality inspection activity. Okay. So here power budget capacity 50,000 kilowatt hours. So amount paying 2 lakhs rupees. So this is HT connection, sir. HT connection. So that is the fixed amount. Next, quality inspections. So number of inspections, 10,000 inspections, budget capacity. So cost is 3 lakhs. Okay. The company makes 3 types of products, namely product M, product S, product T. At the year ended March 31st, 2014, the following consumption of cost drivers was reported. So here cost driver names, for power activity cost driver name kilowatt hours, for quality inspection activity cost driver name is number of inspections. So product M 10,000 kilowatt hours consumed. So product S consumed 20,000 kilowatt hours. For product S consumed 15,000 kilowatt hours. But here, so here cost incurred for 50,000 kilowatt hours. Here cost incurred 50,000 kilowatt hours, sir. So here budget volume, budget capacity 50,000 kilowatt hours, 2 lakhs rupees. But actually utilized capacity is just 45,000, sir. 45,000. Therefore unutilized capacity. So unused capacity of power activity 5,000, sir. So unused capacity 5,000. So here budget activity is not attained, sir. In previous problems budget activity is attained. Here budget activity is not attained. So therefore unused capacity. So here power activity 2 lakhs amount incurred for 50,000 kilowatt hours. So 50,000 kilowatt hours, that is the budget activity. So that is the budget capacity. So here budget activity is not attained, sir. Budget activity is not attained. Just attained is 45,000. So unused activity is 5,000 kilowatt hours. 5,000 kilowatt hours. Next, quality inspections. So here quality inspections, product M consumes 3,500 inspections, product S consumes 2,500 inspections, T 3000 inspections. Total sir 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 9000 sir. 9000. 9000. Okay. So 9000 sir. So 9000. Okay. But here amount incurred, quality inspection activity incurred 3 lakhs cost for 10,000 inspections. But here budget activity is not attained sir. Budget activity is not attained. Budget activity 10,000 inspections, but actual activity 9,000 inspections. Unused activity or unused capacity of each unused capacity of this activity is 1,000 inspections. So that 1,000 amount not recovered sir. Not recovered. Okay. Right. So first bit sir, compute the cost allocated to each product. Compute the cost allocated to each product from each activity. Under which method? ABC approach. Here directly mentioned. Here costs can be identified with 2 activities. So that means currently company follows ABC approach. ABC approach. So first prepare the working note sir. Calculation of cost driver rates. So first bit sir, calculation of cost driver rates. Cost driver rates. Calculation of cost driver rates. So that is working note. Working note. Working note. Cost pool name. Cost pool name or activity. Cost pool name or activity. Cost pool name or activity. Next cost pool in rupees. Cost pool in rupees. Next cost driver name. Cost driver name. Next CDQ, cost driver quantity. Cost driver quantity. Next cost driver rate. Cost driver rate. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E is equal B by D. So here cost pool name or activity, power activity, quantity inspections activity. Power, quality inspections. Quality inspections. Quality inspections. So cost pool amount sir. So 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. 2 lakhs cost incurred. So this is the HT connection cost sir. So 2 lakhs. So next to 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Cost driver name, kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hours. Next to number of inspections. Number of inspections. Number of inspections. Kilowatt hours, so number of inspections. Right. Here kilowatt hours, 50,000 kilowatt hours. 50,000 kilowatt hours. Next 10,000 inspections. 10,000 inspections. 10,000 inspections. Right. Cost driver rate. So 2 lakhs divided by 50,000 is equal to 4 rupees per kilowatt hour. 4 rupees per kilowatt hour. 3 lakhs divided by 10,000 is equal to 30 rupees per inspection. Per inspection. 30 rupees per inspection. Right. So now doing the first bit, sir. So calculation of cost allocation to each product. Calculation of cost allocation. Calculation of cost allocation to each activity. Calculation of cost allocation. Cost allocation to each product. To each product under ABC approach. Under ABC approach. Under ABC approach. Here company produces and sells 3 types of products, namely product M, product S, product T. So product M, product M, product S, product T, product T, product T, particulars, particulars, particulars. Right. Here overheads charged to products, overheads charged to products. First activity, power. So product M utilized kilowatts, 10,000 kilowatt hours. So per kilowatt recovery overhead recovery amount, sir, per kilowatt overhead recovery amount 4 rupees. 4 rupees. So here 40,000 recovered from product M. 40,000 rupees recovered from product M. Next product S recovered. Product S recovered, sir. So product S consumed 20,000 kilowatt hours. 20,000 kilowatt hours into overhead recovery amount 4 rupees. 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. Next 15,000 into 15,000 kilowatt hours. 15,000 kilowatt hours into 4 rupees. 15,000 kilowatt hours into 4 rupees. 15,000 into 4 is equal to 60,000 rupees. So 60,000 rupees. So power allocates, power activity allocated. Right. So next activity, inspection activity. Inspection activity. So inspections cost. Here product M consumes 3,500 inspections. 3,500 inspections. Okay. Into recovery amount per inspection, sir, 30 rupees. 30 rupees. So 3,500 into 30 is equal to 1,05,000. 1,05,000. 1,05,000. Next, 2,500 inspections. 2,500 inspections. 2,500 inspections into 2,500 into 30 rupees. 2,500 into 30, sir. So 2,500 into 30 into 30 is equal to 75,000 rupees. 75,000 rupees. Next, 3,000 inspections consumed. Product T consumes 3,000 inspections. So 3,000 inspections into 30 rupees. So 3,000 into 30, 90,000 rupees. 90,000 rupees. Completed, sir. So each product or its amounts. Product M 40,000 plus 1,05,000 is equal to 1,45,000 rupees. So next, so total overheads charge 1,45,000 rupees. Next, here 80,000 plus 75,000, 1,55,000. 1,55,000. 60,000 plus 90,000. 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Right. So completed, sir. So here power total amount, so 40,000 plus 80,000 plus 60,000. 1,80,000, correct, sir? 1,80,000. So total amount allocated 1,80,000, sir. Next, here 1,05,000 plus 75,000 plus 90,000 is equal to 270, sir. Correct, sir? 2,70,000, correct. Next, calculation of cost of unused capacity for each activity. Cost of unused capacity of each activity, sir. Calculation of cost of unused capacity of each activity. Particulars amount. So particulars amount, sir. Particulars amount. So first activity, power activity. Here unused capacity, sir. Here unused capacity into rate. That is, here unused capacity, sir. So total kilowatt hours consumed 45,000 hours, but paid is 50,000 kilowatt hours. So 5,000 kilowatt hours unused capacity. 5,000 kilowatt hours. Rate, sir. Rate 4 rupees. 4 rupees. So that is equal to 20,000 rupees. Next activity, inspection activity. Unused capacity into rate. Here total inspections consumed 9,000. So unused 1,000, sir. 1,000 inspections. 1,000 inspections into rate rate 30 rupees. 30 rupees. So 1000 into 30 is equal 30,000. 30,000. So finally, total cost of unused capacity. Answer 50, sir. Correct answer. So total cost of unused capacity is equal to total cost of unused capacity. Unused capacity is equal to 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees. Okay, right. Sir, discuss the factors the management considers in choosing capacity level to compute the budget fixed overhead cost rates. So, before choosing the budget levels, what are the factors should be considered, sir? First, resources. Next, workers efficiency levels. Workers efficiency levels. These are the main factors. Should be considered before choosing the capacity level. So this is the fourth problem, sir. Fourth problem completed.